How to track the refund status in Stripe. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are about to provide you with a step-by-step guide that you can follow for that, and you can check it within the Stripe dashboard, so make sure to watch this video till the end for that. So go to dashboard.stripe.com and log in into your account if you're not logged in. Now from your left hand sidebar, what you need to do is click on the payment option. We have a products option here and a payment options, and click on it. And here you will be seeing a list of transactions. So go ahead and select up a payment, for example, payment links or analytics, etc. So here you can search using the customer name, email, or the payment ID, and you can click on the specific payment that was refunded. You can just go and search for the selection, and inside the space you will be seeing the refund amount and your refund status, the date that the refund was issued, and even common causes. You can understand the refund status here. You can see the pending, succeeded, failed refund status here. And the refunds usually take about 5 to 10 business days for the customer to receive the money, and bank transfer may take 5 to 7 business days as well. So you can just go and check it out. You need to go to the payment section and click on the payments here, and there you will be finding the refund section where you can basically look out for all of the refunds. So that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.